mo hlokomela hore Modimo o light mollo ka tlasa maoto a hao, so that you can move. Proverbs 22 verse 10. Keeping distance from drama lovers. Drama lovers. In the house I'm a hole. Keeping distance from drama lovers keeps life peaceful. So even I'm someone going to how told you that do you can't keep quiet. For the sake of talking, does it make sense? Politician, complain, what is your history, even before the election? Voting.